In 2017, you had 27 banks. Now, there will be 12 banks only. This announcement, which we had made sometime in August 2019, involves amalgamating 10 banks into 4. So, you have an Oriental Bank of Commerce and United Bank of India getting amalgamated into Punjab National Bank. Then you have Andhra Bank and Corporation Bank getting amalgamated into Union Bank of India. You have Syndicate Bank amalgamated into Canara Bank, and also Allahabad Bank amalgamated into Indian Bank. One highlight which I would like to draw your attention to is we had definitely gone into the details of Bank of Baroda's amalgamation, which had happened earlier, looked at what has been the outcome within the short span, with an intention of understanding if there's any lessons that we need to learn, and also what impact has it had on the performance. Because ultimately, amalgamations are being done so that customers will reap the benefit of a larger bank, scaled up bank, more fund available for credit, and so on. The experience of Vijaya Bank and Dena Bank being amalgamated into Bank of Baroda, I'd like to just highlight a few points which tell you that eventually it is for the benefit of the customers. The branch networks continue to be the same, 9,400 branches, 13,000 ATMs, 85,000 employees, all continue. I'm talking about the Vijaya Bank, Dena Bank, Bank of Baroda experience. I also want to highlight the most important thing here, the average retail loan sanctioning time, if that is an indicator of what an amalgamation has done. Average retail loan sanctioning time has come down from 23 days earlier to just 11 days. What amalgamation has resulted in for the customer. And also to say the operating profit has gone up by 11.4% in Bank of Baroda. And also the capital ratio has also deposit increasing by 8.8 and the capital ratio increasing by 171 basis point. So if we keep all this in mind, out of the Bank of Baroda merger experience and the current proposal which was announced in August, the cabinet has gone through it, and this will immediately mean that Indian customers, even in these times when we want more credit to flow, for demand to be boosted, we think with the core banking functions being kept intact, the banks have submitted a scheme of amalgamation which the cabinet has considered. So it is approved not just the amalgamation but also the scheme through which the amalgamation process will happen. Of course, it will be happening steadily over the year without affecting the core banking functions. So every service of the bank will be intact, every bank will be intact, but the amalgamation will be rolled out, keeping the customer in mind. Sticking to the April 1 deadline. So banks are fully on board, they understand. The cabinet may have given the decision today, but they were on course and they were doing everything that it requires to be done so that this will be effected from 1st April 2020.